guys, it's me Shamali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna make a video on Kardashian and Jenner sisters. Well, if you don't know them, then let me tell you that there was once an American television series called Keeping Up with the Kardashians, where the series mainly focused on both personal and professional life of the family. Now they are all grown up and are known faces on social media. But what if they were from Assam? Let's change them into an Assamese beauty. Kendall. Now here comes the most fashionable one. Kendall, the daughter of Kris and Bruce Jenner. Kendall, as she is an international model and one of the highly paid model of Vogue, so I have skipped the traditional way of wrapping mekhela sadar and gave a little twist with this belt and a purse on her hand. Kourtney, the oldest one in the Kardashian family and the very first daughter of Kris and Robert Kardashian. Kourtney, we all have seen her being an amazing mother and putting her family first than anything else. Reminded me of this very traditional Assamese muga mekhela sadar with a horai which would totally match with Kourtney's personality. Khloe is the third and the most funniest daughter of Kris Jenner and Robert Kardashian. Khloe is known for having fun and flirtatious nature. In short, a perfect mixture of sweet and spice. So I thought of representing her in this traditional attire by adding a beautiful kolosi as a woman goes for fetching water from pond. Kylie. Here comes the youngest one in the Jenner family. Kylie, the daughter of Bruce and Kris Jenner, also the youngest billionaire of the world. Kylie, she is famous for makeup and for creating her look. I have gone with her favorite color pink and enhanced the look with an Assamese gamusa. Kim Kardashian, also known as Kimberly, is the second oldest daughter of Kris Jenner and Robert Kardashian. As Kim is the only married woman among her sisters, so for her I have chose a bridal look but with a twist by holding a traditional bota. And there you go. If you loved the video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon if you want to get any notification. Bye.